Welcome to this technical guide on the HP NV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing problems with the audio on your HP NV14, you're not alone. Many users report that the sound stops working completely, which can be quite frustrating, especially if you rely on your laptop for work or entertainment. This issue often arises from a damaged audio IC, and if left unresolved, it can lead to more significant problems, potentially rendering your device unusable for audio purposes. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement audio IC. Now, let's get into the step-by-step repair process. First, make sure your HP NV14 is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully opening the device. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back cover removed, locate the audio IC. It should be near the audio jack area on the motherboard. If you're unsure, refer to the device's manual or online resources for guidance. Once you have located the faulty audio IC, use your tweezers to carefully disconnect any cables that might be in the way. Be gentle, as these cables can be delicate. You will need to unscrew the audio IC using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to remember the type of screws used here. They are often smaller and may require a lighter touch when removing. After the screws are out, you can gently lift the audio IC from its slot. Take your new audio IC and place it into the slot where the old one was. Screw it back in securely, making sure not to over-tighten. Reconnect any cables you had to detach earlier, ensuring everything is properly aligned. Before you close the back cover, it's a good idea to test the audio. Connect your laptop to power and turn it on. Check if the sound is working correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've confirmed that the audio is working, carefully align the back cover and press it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover back on. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure your laptop is kept in a dry environment and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Regularly check for software updates, as these can also help prevent hardware conflicts. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.